Well, guys, it appears I have found it. The historical marker, located literally in the middle of nowhere. That's where I am right now in Illinois. Oh, I got the wrong map on. There we go. Let's see if, I don't even know if I can get to it easily. Get attacked by a snake or something. This, why is there a historical marker here? I believe it's the I'm gonna zoom in. I believe it's the border between Logan and whatever county is next to Logan. I forget what it is. Oh, there's a car coming. They'll think I'm crazy. Or my electric car broke down. But yeah, there's the most random historical marker you've ever seen.